This is the Padcaster, a Parrot Teleprompter. Now, it's meant for mobile devices, and you just hook it up over top of your DSLR camera. And its weight's less than about half a pound, and it comes with some additional rings as well as a lens cleaning kit, which is kind of cool. Right here is, looks like their quick start guide. So it's showing all the things. Remove the dust cover, slide out the pre-installed mounting ring, choose the correct mounting ring for you, screw the mounting ring onto the camera lens or Padcaster bracket, remove the hood cover, insert the smartphone, mount the teleprompter. So it all seems pretty simple. Man, that's really very detailed. Look at that. Wow. Warranty card, 50% off your next Padcaster purchase. Cool. Might actually look into that. There's the lens cleaning kit. So we're just going to pop this out here really quick. A nice little microfiber cloth, and all it does is says it's a cleaning kit, so there you go. Not bad. Okay, so it looks like this is the Padcaster. Kind of small. I was anticipating something a little bit bigger, but judging by the fact that, you know, the mobile device that's attached to it wasn't much larger than this, I didn't think it was going to be too big. So here are all of the attachments for each camera. And then we've got the Padcaster Parrot Remote. So it's got the Bluetooth capability. Let's crack this open. I'm assuming this is probably like the remote that comes with it. Yeah, oh wow. I really did not anticipate something quite this nice. Tiny little thing. Oh, it even comes with a battery. Get out of here. So we'll go ahead and pull this. So now the battery's active and I can turn this on and off. And then I have the various functions such as play, skip, fast forward. And it looks like it can be Siri controlled. So if you have an iPhone, this will work out really nice. Excellent. That appears to be it inside the package here. So let's see about putting it all together. Ooh, here we go. So you see there's the glass that's in there. It's nice that there's a good cover. I'm going to slip this back on just for right now. And simply just slip it right back in there. Okay, so. Here we go. Interesting. So this is probably where we end up putting the ring in for the size of lens that you have for your camera. So that says 58 millimeter. To be honest, I'm not really sure the size of mine, so I'm gonna probably have to dig into the little bag here that's got all the extensions. Oh my gosh. There are just tons of adapters in here. Very cool. Plenty to choose from. Setting up the Padcaster was essential. All you had to do is find the right extension. You're going to screw it on the very front of your lens. Comes in really nicely, and then you take the Padcaster and just slide it right over top of it, like so, and it kind of just snaps into place. Pull off the front cover, and at this point you're going to grab the bottom, pull it down, and slip your iPhone in there. Now this is an iPhone 11 that I'm putting into here. Of course, if you're going to be using this, you're going to need the app, which is the app's called Parrot. And they give you a link to that inside there, but you're going to end up putting your scripts into this area here, and then you just hit start. Now keep in mind you can hit settings in the top right hand corner. You can change the speed, you can change the type size of the font, you can change out the margins. I would recommend you turn on mirror mode, because otherwise it's going to read backwards to you in the teleprompter, and you don't want that to happen. It's fairly intuitive, so I anticipate that you shouldn't have any issues. I really like this already.